Hi, now we will learn how to change dress color. First, I will go to the quick selection tool, zoom in the photo and mask it. Press Alt on this keyboard and unmark of this object. Then zoom out the photo, press Ctrl Z on this keyboard to duplicate the layer. Now right click, go to the convert to a smart object. Then go to the filter and apply the Gaussian blur effect. Hit the OK button and save PSD file on this layer. Now drag the flower image on the picture. Press Ctrl T to increase the picture. Then go to the layer 2. Press Alt on this keyboard and click mouse right arrow key. Now I will go to the filter option, then distort and displace option. Turn on the OK button and choose PSD file here. Now change blending mode and decrease the blend mode value. Press Alt to make a new point. Then turn on the OK button. Now the dress has changed. It looks better than before.